This is a review of the Aelfric Eden Rhinestone hoodie that we're going to be doing a review and test fit on, which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And this review and test fit, we are going to wear this on and show you guys more in depth about this Rhinestone hoodie. So without going further, let's test fit this on and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so here's the finished results of the Aelfric Eden Rhinestone hoodie, and I do want to say that the quality of this is really amazing. Two things. Number one is the rhinestones are snug into place. Number two is extremely comfortable. When I mean that, I really mean that. It's really comfortable, especially to wear during the summer times. As you guys know, when it gets hot, then that's a huge problem. But this right here, since it's sleeveless, is also breathable as well too, and it's really comfortable as well. And right over here on the back side, you can see the rhinestones, and if I'm moving it around, they all hold into place, so you don't have to worry about over time rhinestones falling apart or anything like that. They are snug into place. And the really high quality rhinestones, they sparkle as you walk around, especially in a broad daylight. It will definitely make a statement and really set yourself apart from the crowd. And another cool thing I love about this hoodie is that if I wear it on top, you can see the Aelfric Eden brand logo as well too, which is really cool. You can see it, how it has their name on it as well too. And the rhinestones really sparkle. It sets yourself apart from the crowd. And right over here on the sides, you can see it's sleeveless, and this is a size medium. So one thing I do want to let you guys know is that if you are, it comes like an oversized, size. And if you are wanting to go bigger, then you could go do that. But this is a size medium, and I'm about like 5 feet 10 inches, and my weight's like 165 pounds. So far, it fits perfectly, and it is a medium. You could go for a small if you want, or a large if you want as well too. But for a medium, it fits me very perfectly and fine. It has a lot of space inside as well too. So it's like an oversized fit that it comes with. But other than that, I would definitely recommend the Aelfric Eden Rhinestone hoodie. Let me do a front and back view of me walking. And just like that, you can see as I walk around, like to the light, it sparkles the rhinestones, so it is really high quality. I definitely love this rhinestone hoodie. And if you are wanting to make a bold statement and you want to set yourself apart, if you're going to during the summer, like a concert, a party, or a festival, then the Aelfric Eden Rhinestone hoodie would definitely not disappoint you. And I would definitely recommend this Rhinestone hoodie if you are trying to make a bold statement and set yourself apart. Then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get.